Hi guys, Philip here from horseracetrading.com, and in this race here, I've got my eye on the second favourite here, the Oscar Thine, or Oscar Tyne, however you pronounce it. And what happens here is I make a mistake. So based on this horse here, the second favourite, I can see that there's been a flurry of backing activity over the last few minutes, and the price has actually drifted as a result. So you can see it came a little bit, came in, and then it drifted out again. It is now sitting at roughly sort of 4.7, and here I enter the market for £50. Now the problem is I make the right decision, but I make a mistake in the entry point. I place my trade at 4.7. because I'm asking for price, not taking it, which is the way you should do it. But unfortunately, the downside there is that you have to wait for it to be matched, okay, instead of just getting an immediate match. So I enter here at 4.7, as you can see, and what happens is, like I said, I make the right decision, right, in terms of the overall feel of where the trade is going, but I enter it at the wrong point and I miss out. That's why you should never, the whole point of this video is for me to show you why you should never chase a trade. So you can see the price starts coming in from 4.6, 4.5, and it trickles down all the way to 4s by the end of this video. But at this point here, guys, I want to explain to you the mentality. A lot of newbies here feel that like they missed out, and they let their emotions dictate what they do next, okay? At this point here, I need to reassess, because right now, guys, it's been a minute 30, okay, since I started this video, and it's roughly been 60 seconds since I sort of potentially enter this trade here. And after 60 seconds, there's a big flurry of trades being matched on the favorite, second favorite, third favorite, and the market changes. And right now, if I were to enter the market right now, I'm entering because of different indicators than before, because the market has changed, right? So right now, had I been matched in the first place, that would have been fine, and I could have traded out for like a 3-4 tick profit. Regardless, right now, the reasons for me being in the market or entering the market in the first place are different from what it was 6 seconds ago. Okay, so at this point here, a lot of newbies will make this mistake where they try and chase the money, because at this point here, you can see my £50 still sitting there. I now take that away, and at this point here, some traders will fall in love with the trade because they're so obsessed with getting it right that they will not accept when they get it wrong, and so they will try and either move the trade down and get matched at a lower or higher price point, and simply chase that sort of mistake. If this happens to you guys, if you enter a market and you either make a bad judgment call or it goes against you, don't be afraid to call it quits, okay? Now, at this point here, in this trade here, I could feel I was emotionally committed to that trade, and it annoyed me that I missed out. And so this one here, all I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply sit back and watch what happens, but I'm not going to enter a trade because I can feel that I'm emotionally attached to this trade. If that happens to you, if your emotions get the better of you, you need to stop and simply do not continue trading that race, because, guys, after this one here, there's another race, another race, another race, another race, and it's up to you to have the emotional control to be able to spot when you are potentially losing sort of a perspective on this trade. And you can see here it comes all the way down to 4, okay, 4.1, 4.0 there, and I would have made a really nice little bit of profit there on that 50 pound trade, but I missed out, okay? I made the right call. I had a feeling market was going to come down this way. I simply made a mistake. That's it. End of. No big deal. You move on, you brush up your shoulder, and you grow a pair of balls and you move forward, okay? Because otherwise, if you enter the market again there, the market could go against you, because you're obviously you're reevaluating things there and you're using your emotions to make irrational decisions, okay? So I just want to make this quick video here, guys, to show you this, so that you can sort of try and be aware of this. So if you miss a trade, if you miss your entry point, don't go and chase it just because you fell in love with the trade, okay? Let it go, move on to the next one, and forget about it, and learn from it. Try and record your screen if you can, and move on, okay? Cheers, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.